You guys have been talking so much and asking questions about seedlings because yes, this year I grew pretty much 100% of my garden from seed. So I started it indoors. Most of it started at the earliest in February, but then March and even in April. And so now I'm able to start planting a lot of this outside, whether it's my peppers, and these are actually my eggplant. I love some good eggplant. And how you know when something's ready to plant outside is when you pull it out of that pot, when you see those roots encircling the bottom, that's perfect, because that means they have some good root establishment and they're ready to go outside. So I'm just gonna slightly pull on them. They're not too compacted, so I don't really need to rip them apart. And I'm just gonna plant this right in the ground. I've talked about raised beds. This is one of the reasons I love them. I don't need any type of shovel. I am just able to pull it back because that soil is so loose. I'm gonna pop this right in. I'm gonna go slightly low because these can actually send out roots farther up the stem, and that way it will help give it sturdiness. I live in the country. Guys, it can be windy. The elements, they're awful. This is gonna give it some really good structure. That way it won't just, fly away, which believe me, it kind of would. I'm also gonna make sure to label it because otherwise I forget what it is. And you wanna label them so you know, hey, this one did really well this year, or that one doesn't do as well, or maybe you don't actually like the look or flavor or how to cook the one, then you know and have good record of it, which I don't always, but I like to think I do. I'm gonna plant this one a little bit farther from the edge because on that trellis, I usually put pickles or something, so I like to plant it a little bit ways away. That way it gives the pickles some room to grow. Eggplant are not something that I don't keep them for anything, I don't preserve them, so I do them just to eat, so I don't plant near as many. Just enough so I can enjoy them. Usually you can think of the softer the fruit, like eggplant's really soft when you cook it, there's not a lot of good ways to preserve that. You could cook it, freeze it all cooked up and use it for like baba ganoush, but otherwise, that's like a hummus, by the way. Otherwise, there's not too much you can do with it. As far as spacing, for eggplant, I want at least about 1.5 feet in between, or about, I kind of push mine to 1 foot, but you can always read on your seed packets too. They're gonna tell you how close or how far. And honestly, the more years that you plant them, you'll eventually just you'll kind of just know. Once you're all done, if you live in the country like I do, sometimes I put something around them just to protect them, so maybe even an old tin can. But even more importantly is to water them. You want to water them really well once they're in, and if you're not getting regular rains, you want to water them or check them a couple times a week because these are garden plants. They need water. Okay, I know you're probably saying, oh, who actually uses these type of watering cans when they have like a shower head on them? The reason you do that is just because if you use one that just has a stream of water, it can really damage the plant. It can push all the dirt away from the roots. So a shower head just kind of diffuses the water, especially over seedlings like this, and allows it to not be so harsh on it. And once again, Kip is eating grass, you guys. I cannot get him to stop. Kippy, don't eat the grass. Don't eat the grass. So for eggplant, we're probably talking at least 60, if not 75 days until you're gonna get some good fruit off it. That's how a lot of seedlings or seed packets, they'll give you a day amount until you get fruit. And it all kind of depends on your weather, what zone you live in. I'm in zone 5 here in Iowa, and so I get pretty warm pretty fast. So my summer crops of these will probably for sure come on in July, if not slightly before. And you are not gonna get just 1 fruit per plant. You're not gonna get just 2 fruit per plant. If they are healthy plants, you will get multiple fruits. Probably, since I planted, 8? I'm gonna have way more than I know what to do with. I'm gonna be giving them away to friends, be eating a lot of baba ganoush, frying a lot of it, grilling a lot of it. There's not a number per plant, depending on how healthy it is, but I'm gonna say at least 10 plus, if not 15 more per plant over the life of the season. So eggplant's really easy, you guys. Keep checking back. I'll show you what I'm growing, and you can always ask questions about how it's doing. I'll post it on stories on Instagram. I'll share all the bounty I'm getting in the garden, so keep checking back. I'm not gonna leave you hanging.